one's called Another Day.
You pass the humor for aggression. You gently lose your grip. I feed your holes with intuition. As I gently take a sip, it's just a voice I hear. Desperation and despair, clutching round at any cost to catch the love you know you've lost. And now I see it's crystal clear. If I hadn't seen the light, you'd have made me disappear. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else. You took me by the reins, you helped manipulate this brain. Took the coldness and the taking, and you made me go insane. And I cannot and I will not be the cost of victory. I'd lift you up if I was strong enough, if I didn't care for me. Now I see it's crystal clear. If I hadn't seen the light, you'd have made me disappear. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else. Love we show ourselves before you can love anybody. To never feel love. Take the love you feel and give it back to those you know. Love we show ourselves. You gently lose your grip as you through holes of intuition. I gently take it, just noise you. Desperation and give it back. Clutching round angles you know. To catch the love you know you've lost. And now it's here, a change of mind. Keep looking at the light, let the shadows fall behind. Here comes another day, another chance for you to find your way. Take this opportunity, this turning point to prove you can be brave. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else.